iyo studio ziba zateguye z'abari nka miliyoni, ariko ubundi uyu mwaka mwaretse tugashinga yacu izajya ibyikorera ikabyikorana cyaza se ko mutazinguka. Paramount Skyres Corporation, Domain Entertainment, cyabanyita Gaheza Simba. Tugiye kureba filime ya mbere y'uyu mwaka 2026, siyo ya mbere ngoze mwibaza impamvu tangire hakuno ne filime witonze ahantu mu ruganda sinzi umugabo ureba gutyo to.
Not angry.
Nako narakaye.
Not asking for special treatment.
Nubwo ndi kubasaba ngo muvure byihariye. Nako ngo mumfate byihariye oya ndi kubingira. Sonye umwana hano mukazi.
Was.
Waravuze ngo nari umwe mu bakozi bawe. Wari umwe nyine wahoze. Narebaga yuko mwampakazi nanone.
Ask them to take me off the blacklist.
Basi nimba mutamakazi mbabarira umbwira diplome ye barayiciye. Basi mbabarira untangire message nziza kwa kundi umuntu agutangira ubuhamya bwiza. Basi untangire ubuhamya bwiza bamvane kuri blacklist nyine ubu nta hantu na hamwe yembere gusaba akazi. Urongera kuvuga ibyo bintu. Ndagushota n'urwo rwana rwawe. Basohorane hano. Kubazanya hano umwana wumvaga biri bunkore ku mutima. Kwa mwaka nkeneye akazi meze nabi. Umwana wanje amasica umwera arwaye. Oya. Ibyo ntago bikora kuri cyo. Ikigabo kiri hano cy'ikigome kimeze nka King Panda. Ntago ndi ikigoryi cyo kujya kuvuga ibyo bintu. Byibura bwari mwe pose. Ufite umwana wawe intoryi zawe nizigeze zishirira sibyo warabyaye. Bifate nkaho watsinze umupira. Bye urabeho ndakwiyome. Azana umwana urwaye mu biro byanje nta nizo. Uzi n'ikiri ntago nazanye umwana wanje hano kugira ngo wumve wishinze icyaha cy'uko mwanyirukanishije mukakira no ku rutonde rw'abantu batabiri gusaba kazi hakuno. Impamvu nazanye umwana wanje nkaza mwitwaje byaro kugira ngo nze kubura ukuntu ngukubita naho ubundi nakabaye ngushose nkagukura nk'irye.
Not angry?
Uyu ni wowe wese wavugaga ngo ntiwarakaye nuko umeze iyo utarakaye. Hakuno umugabo akazi ubushomeri bumeze n'abafite umwana urwaye.
You tough guy.
We musore ukomeye ari kugenda hano. Arebye kuri televiziyo abona hari publicity iri gucaho. Uri umugabo wumva atanga ibintu byose. Aya niyo mahirwe yawe ya nyuma kugira ngo uyu mwaka utagupfira ubusa. Ujya gukina amasiganwa cyangwa amarushanwa ya Running Man nuko amasiganwa bayi. Ubashije gutsinda abagabo baba bambaye imikaro kabakwepa. Ukwezi kose kukarangira. Uhita ugenda utsindiye biliyoni y'idolari nyagasani ibiceri byinshi kandi umugabo ni umukene. Ubu baravuga ngo amafaranga ni umuzi w'ikibi cyose. Dore abampigi baba barimo do. Bagon.
Catch me if you can, motherfuckers.
Nafashe se niba mubishoboye mwabikora kimwe. Nabagiyeyo. Nabagiye muri Running Man.
Don't miss the final run of the season.
Mutaza kugira mute mutaza guhomba kureba amasiganwa ya nyuma y'iyi season. Amasiganwa ngo yitwa Running Man. Iyo ubashije kujya muri ayo masiganwa ugenda wihisha abantu bari kuwiga ariko iyo bagufasha barakwica. Gutsindira biliyoni y'idolari umugabo kandi arakena. Ihangane mwana wanje.
That is not that crazy.
Papa ntago ari umusazi bingana kuriya ku buryo najya muri ariya masiganwa. Humura reka. Mugabo uri hano natashye mu rugo arabanza atunganya ibikoresho by'umwana. Mfite akana karwaye kandi igishomeri kimeze nabi. Arakennye kwa kuntu ubudacunganwa n'igihumbi mu mufuka nacyo ntacyo. Komeza kureba kuri televiziyo ariko iyi fata telekomande urebe. Kureba hakuno haba hari indi mikino y'urusimbi.
Speed the wheel where a big boned badass bets bravely to bag big.
Hakuno bazana amasiganwa umuntu akirukanka yabasha gucamo hano. Namwe murabyumva.
We'll go.
Abatsindiye ibiceri papa ari kubireba. Ibya bikino n'ubundi ni bya kazungu narara byose ni kimwe. Ako mwabonye umwaka muwinjiramo neza ngiye ko ntari impari. Mwaka mwawinjiramo ntari ku isi nago nari impari. Hari utuntu nari ndimo nari naragiye kubategurira iwanyu ho muzafa. Hakuno umugabo hakuno bari kureba imikino yose y'amahirwe ngarebe kwa kundi nyine cyangwa ugashakira mu kadege kwa kundi byangwa ugashakira mu kadege. Muri ka konkoro. Hakuno afongoza nawe.
Oh, look at the fuzzy hamster.
Nebari amwaranje toto reba hariyo.
Next question for one.
Ikibazo gikurikiyeho. Ugitsinda araza gutsindira igihumbi cy'amadolari. Ariya ni amafaranga menshi umugabo yake.
Net Air Flying V luxury jetliner have.
Bamubaza ibintu.
A4, B5 or C6.
Tough one. Say B, bud.
Musasubiza ngo B. Ni A.
C6.
Ikibabaje rero ni C. Hakuno ubwo uratsinzwe bira.
We're full of shit than Daddy thought.
Ako mwana wanjye ubona ukuntu abakira ari ibigoryi ni umugabo bari kuganiriza akana nimba mama w'akana bari hehe. Hakuno. Umusa mu kiganza cyanjye mfitemo agapapuro. Kariho ibibazo sibyo ibisubizo.
Your life. Who invented pepperoni?
Inde wavumbuye pepperoni. Hakuno.
Hardly knew ya.
Oh, okay. Mommy's here.
Nageze mu rugo natashe kumbe hakuno na madamu afite umugore.
How's she doing?
Umwana ameze gute mama akana kararwaye.
She's
Ameze gute mama?
really burning up.
Umwana ari gutwika babyita kugira gute harya guhinda umuriro siko numva muvuga mu Kinyarwanda ari guhinda umuriro ari gutwika. Mwana wanje mami akana kararwaye.
She's hurt.
Magukora umwana ari kubabara. Ibi bintu ntago ari sawa.
2 drops.
Bitonyanga bibiri hakuno n'uduti tw'amagendo sinzi abayazivanye.
Look, I know.
Molly said he would have real farms, damn it. Real flu meds.
Molly yatubwiye ko azadushakira imiti ya
Well, a little black market buddy has all the stuff.
ese uzikiriya miti abagiye kuyigura muri farumasi ya miti yataye igihe bimusaba kanya nayo kugira ngo ayihiga yibone.
Kill people, but it's so out of the things.
Biriya bintu byica abantu iriya miti baba barajugunye rero wimbwira gutyo unankira agahato bitwara gace umugore.
All right.
Hakuno umwana.
This stuff doesn't make her better, babe.
Iyi miti ntabwo iri
It
kumukiza
makes her feel better.
ariko byiburi tuma yumva ameze
Put
neza.
another double at that hellhole club, and if it
Nari
wasn't
nasabye yuko banyongerera shift ku kazi nkajya njya gukora muri club nkareba ko nakwinjiza amafaranga byikubye kabiri.
dead in the
Umugore
morning, I'd still be there. So that's what
ibizajya bigera mu gitondo ntarapfa ubwo nyine nzajya mbagihana.
for today.
Hakuno mugabo biranga navuganye na Molly.
What you did?
Kuki mwavuganye?
Who watched Kathy?
Took her with me,
Ninde wari uri kureba umwana twajyanye?
you know. Guilt trip him.
No, you took her so you wouldn't beat the crap out of him.
Iyo utajyanye umwana ndabizi wari kumukubita.
I left my
Wakoze akantu k'ubwenge.
pride at the door. I was
Ubwibone bwanje nabusize ku muryango.
Respectful.
Nagiye namwubashye pe ni wa mugabo yagiye gusaba akazi. Sori ntazababeshya ntago ari mubi.
got a little heated at the end, but
Wenda nyuma naje kurakara nyine yego ariko
by then it was game over.
ariko narakaye n'ubundi ntacyo
Don't
kurengera
want
kigira.
us to win.
Bivuze ngo ntago badushaka ko dutsinda. Nta kintu bashaka ko twageraho.
I'm sorry.
Babarire mwana.
I
Babarire.
tried.
Hey,
Gusa nagerageje.
just
Akazi kawe.
punished for being a good man.
Ese ntukihane ngo wirenganyirize amakosa yo kubura umugabo
Just
mwiza.
standing up for your guys.
It just didn't seem
Wabaye hano ku bwacu iteka ryose.
right, you know. I got to be a dad and they didn't.
Ben, none of this is your fault.
Doesn't change our situation.
Ben ibi byose nta kosa ryawe na rimwe ririmo ariko n'ubundi ntacyo bihindura ku kuri guhari. Turakennye umwana ararwaye nije papa mu rugo nta kintu ndi kuzana ubwo se kuba atari amakosa yanjye ahubwo ni he byaba atari amakosa yanjye.
But we're in this together, right?
Ibi tubiri kumwe mo sheri sibyo? Sawa dakana karemye
Think of something.
turaza gushaka ikindi kintu twakora turaza gutekereza ikindi kintu. Hakuno ihangane mwana wanjye ihangane mwana.
Sorry?
Isogisi ry'uyu mwana ririhe?
Ben, those take forever to make.
No, it was on when we got home. Hold on. It's here.
Wabona isogisi waritaye ubwo wacanaga umwana ujya cyari riri hano ariko uza gushaka isogisi ry'umwana tu uza gushaka isogisi
Kicked that off.
akana w'isogisi warishose rigwa he kana kambaye isogisi rimwe.
Don't worry. Dad's gonna find it.
Humura wigira ikibazo isogisi ryenda ribona.
Honey, are you
Ivano.
back to the Libertine?
Ese ugiye gusubira muri Libertine?
Want to?
Nanjye ntabwo mbyifuze.
Said that place was dead in the morning.
Nari nzi ko wambwiye ko ari hano tu
Except for the most desperate, wasted losers.
nubwo haba hariyo abagabo b'ibigoryi byacanze b'abahombyi ariko ni abakire tubakeneye
Get
amafaranga.
tips out of these guys.
Ndetse umukobwa dukorana yambwiye ukuntu bariya abagabo naca mbavanamo make ya tipu nyine.
Either way, just
Namwe murabizi hari ukuntu mu kabari bavuga kuri ya mugabo shasa atanga tipu. Abaseriveri bose barwanira kumwakira.
do it all the time.
No.
Look, if these jerks can splash 50 ND per bottle, they can
Uzi yuko atanga tipu y'amadolari 50 kuri buri cupa
actually save a kid's life.
Babe, I
kandi ayo madolari yatabara ubuzima bw'umwana wacu.
can't let you do that.
Ben,
Ntabwo natuma ubikora ngo uje gukora muri kariya kabari mu masaha nijoro.
she is burning up.
Ben umwana ari gutwika nayo kumugurira imiti igabanya umuriro twayabuze.
My friend makes 20 new every shift, usually from just one customer.
Byibura ngende ndebe ko nasa kumukiriya umwe mwana. Inshuti yanjye ikivana y'uduceri twinshi.
Hey, now,
Come on.
you know I'd never do that.
Urabizi ko biriya bintu ntabikora nimba ukeka ko agiye kugucinya.
My friend doesn't even let her grab her ass.
Inshuti yanjye ntigituma banayikora no ku kibuno.
Charms him into tipping for something that's not on sale, and right now it's prime
Aragenda nyine agasekera abagabo akabareshya bakamuha tipu n'ibyo ngibyo.
time for that kind of
No,
play.
the wrong exec thinks that you ripped him off. You could end
Icyo
up
nicyo kibazo rero.
in the dump. Like
Byazarangira nawe ubaye nkawe nawe wisanze uri mu mwanda utazi uwawe.
that girl across the street. I'm sorry.
Cyangwa ukamera nk'uriya mukobwa utuye hakurya y'umuhanda uriya duteganya.
These men
Babarira.
are savages.
Bariya bagabo muba mujya guseriva nijoro ni ibisazi ni ibigoryi.
Farms from a real doc. She won't survive
Uriya
another.
mwana wacu ukeneye imiti dukeneye kumujyana kwa muganga
Tonight.
wa nyawe ibyo uri kwigira ni
Have a
ibyo.
choice.
Kandi nta yandi mahitamo. Mugabo yarebye hakuno kuri televiziyo amahitamo arahari.
Where are you going?
Get money.
Uragiye kugiye gushaka amafaranga.
Her to see a real doc before bed.
Amafaranga ahagije kandi ari buze gufasha umwana wacu mbere yuko bucya akaba yageze kwa muganga. Mugore kureba hano abona muri televiziyo bari gushyiraho publicité y'amasiganwa agiye kuba nimba ari amarushanwa nimba ari iki aho umuntu uzatsinda azahembwa biliyoni y'idolari.
Chances? People on that show never come back.
I'm trying to
Ben, ndakwinginze abantu bagiye muri ariya marushanwa ntibajya bagaruka
the
utayajya.
running man.
Ntabwo ndi ikigoryi cyo kujya kwirukanga muri running man. Igenda biyobewe. Nta masiganwa nimba twabyita amasiganwa nimba twabyita amarushanwa. Ni umukino nyine. Aho ujya mu mukino bagashyiraho abantu baguhiga warokoka iminsi 30 bakaguhemba biliyoni y'idolari. Ariko bagufata bakakwica.
There's a ton of other shows. Look.
We hari izindi show nyinshi nagenda gakoreramo amafaranga
The low
apaniriye show.
one today, $75 new. I get on one of those.
Yagiye areba ahantu bagiye bakorera amafaranga ukuntu bagenda bakora abakinira imikino hirya no hino.
People on these games get hurt too, like
Ariko
real.
abantu bari muri iyi mikino nabo bajya babibabariramo nubwo atari running.
Stuff next to the kind of jobs I work.
We ni ukubera ikibazo cy'umwana turaza gushaka uburyo ikindi ncuro nzashaka akazi. Ufashe rero.
Promise me you won't go on that show.
Basi nsezeranya ko utari buze kujya muri iriya show. Ya running man. Ndagusezeranya.
I'll get you out of here.
Ndagusezeranya ko ndi bukuvane hano. Hey. Agasani. Kaburi hano. Akakana se babana nk'umugore. Churubaro. Churubaro. Je niyo mba ndi kwitekerereza. Rata mwamwe mubanda tudatekereza kimwe nkiramwe. Hakuno nta kindi cyabaye. Ukaba yasohotse muhira. Turagukenesha rimwe. Wicunge ibyo ujyamo byose wicunge turacyagukeneye. Ni umugabo n'umukene mu rugo famiye ubukene. Churubaro. Ndagaswira. Hakuno Paramount Pictures presents izina rya filime ubu ntabwo turaritangira ntabwo turaritangira bafatanyije na Domain Entertainment bafatanye na Gaheza Simba. Nibutse ushaka kwamamaza nimero yanjye ni 078 022 4403 cyangwa 078 21 29 503. Hakuno The Running Man niryo zina rya filime, ni umugabo uri kwirukanka ukizwa n'amaguru. Ubundi mu magambo make reka filime tuyite maguru ya sarwaye, sibyo byiza? Ko numva uyu mwaka ariko ntazawumara. Nyamara mu nsengere ndabona bikomeye. Kandi ikindi kintu uyu mwaka nurangira ntakize na leta ibyumva. Tuzabane mu mahoro ntizamvangire dore. Mwaka ni wo wanyuma wo gukora ibintu byemewe na leta. Ubwo nimba ntakize zakurikiraho nyine namwe murabyumva. Hakuno umugabo yavuye mu rugo mu kito. Yavuye hakuno ahantu yaje hari kamera zimeze gutyo ku butaza. Vuga iki kugeza hano?
Network building. Tryouts.
Yenje mu magerageza komeza werekeza yinjiye hari umujyi winjiramo bakamutera na za sanitizer baza kwanduza abakiri ibyo bigwara cy'iwanyu batindi byinda n'imbaraga sa n'ibinyamugera ntago baba babishaka. Reka hakuno abo yavuyeyo cira mu kandi kacici kari hano rero bitekerezaho gake ako ntago mwahara kumbuka gani warwana nabonye ntago mwahara hano mumaze iminsi munyandikira kuri Instagram umuntu ngo Gaheza wanze akazi nayo sinzo nabonye mwese mukomeze imbere kandi mufunga iminwa hejuru umuntu wicara hasi mukomeze imbere. Hakuna abakene babaje gusaba akazi ni benshi. Dore umurongodo umushomeri mumeze nabi ya goddamn broke. Utazi ikimuhatse ngareba iki harya. Mugabo kugerano yabonye agasogisi k'umwana kari mu mupira yagiye yambaye to. Kugerano musaza waje hano. Agerageza umusaza hano. Umusaza ameze nabi we. Uyu musaza akeneye ubufasha we turakuyamye tuvi Rwanda. Nakubwiye ngo asubira inyuma. Vanetiza mugabo hakuno do kubita uratabara wabitumwe nande hakuno. Mwe mukomeza mugende mwabara mwe hano nta kintu cyo kubona. Subira mu murongo wa kigori kiwe. Mwese mupfunze iminwa garuka inyuma. Urebe yigize Yesu nyine arabambwa. Iyo wigize Yesu urabambwa, ibyo bintu simubizi se. Kabo hakuno.
Next.
Ukurikiyeho hakuno.
Tap each page to confirm the information is correct.
Tapinga kuri buri page tubone yuko ugenda wemeza ko amakuru waduhaye ariyo ukomfirima.
What's the triangle name?
Iriya triangle ravuga iki kariya kamande.
I'll read it to you, it'll be faster.
Reka mbigusomere nibwo byihuta.
Ben Richards, 35,
ufite imyaka 35, ufite umugore.
Employment history, hired by CGen, fired for
aho yakoze mbere yakoreye muri CGen baza kumwirukana for insubordination kubera gusuzugura abamukuriye.
Why is there a red triangle on my file?
Ariko kubera iki kuri document yanjye mbona hariho kampande 3 gatukura.
Hired by net utility.
Ndabona aragiye gukora no muri net utility.
Hey man, I asked you a question.
We ndi kukubaza wa mugabo we.
Insubordination.
Bakwirukanira nabwo gusuzugura inzego, sibyo? Insubordination.
Hired by defense net for theft.
Waje nanone kongera gukora muri defense net.
Fired for
kubyara n'umwana w'umukobwa.
Insubordination.
Bakwirukanira nabwo gusuzugura inzego, insubordination.
Poor kid.
Yararakara.
Just stop me from choking you out.
We mbabarira udatuma ngunika, sibyo? Mumwohereze hejuru.
Elevator 6.
Genda uje muri esanseri ya 6. Hakuno. Uje muri esanseri ya 6. Niba ari kuca he? Ni ahantu yaje gusaba akazi sinzi. Baba baje gusaba akazi ni benshi ubushomeri bumeze.
Hey.
Ari hano, we. Yahuye n'umukobwa hano umeze nka DJ ntuza.
Go up 27, right?
Yeah.
29, neighbor?
Mwana, harya se utuye ku nzu 27. Cyenuye ku nzu 28 turi abaturanyi.
Ben.
Jibanyita Ben.
All right, Ben.
Sawa Ben we. Umukobwa bahuye hano to. Ure kwafu. Ibintu by'ibinyogosho by'ibirokoke biba bihirimanga. Bimwe bya kasuku Jayskwiza.
We got the cash if you've got the balls.
Hakuno.
I don't.
Right. Yeah.
Harundi bahuriye muri esanseri.
I'm Tim.
Jebanyita Tim.
Tim.
Tim byanditse.
Jansky's my last
Yanyita Tim Jansky.
name. And Tim
Jansky nyine na akazina kanje ka kabiri.
is short for Timothy.
Urumva banahiriye ka Timothy. Nabyumvishe.
Do we all go around and say our names and a fun fact?
Twese se turagenda tuzenguruka tuvuga amazina yacu hano cyangwa. Hakuno. Rebe. Naho baje kugera hano. Abari ama competition menshi batsindiramo ibiceri. Nawe yaje muri competition imwe muri kugera hakuno do. Azamuka bakabanza bagakora umwitozo turebe ko ufite igihanto kujyana mu bintu udashoboye. Cyo gukora ibintu udashoboye wapi rwose. Hakuno. Musore. Babajyana mu myitozo hakuno. Uzana umuzanga usigara. Sinzi. Filime witonze umusore hakuno. Bari kubajyana mu myitozo kurira hakuno kuba wakurira nk'umusozi cyangwa iki bibaye ngombwa. Jazano aruwari ugera musa mu musore aramutabara to. Ndagufite mwana. Ariko umusore afite ibintu aba yibuka byigeze kuba kera sinzi nimba mubibonye. Abandi murakomeza mu masegonda 30. Musa wakoze mwana. Ntabwo byari ngombwa ko ari untabara. Oya nta kibazo ntaribo. Ribeshya mu kigo hano ntabwo bajya batabara abantu.
Useless.
Technology.
Abuse.
Yaje hakuno mu yindi ofisi babanza kumusuzuma no mu mutwe barebe ko udafitemo ibijagu.
Heroism.
Kwigira intwari ntacyo bimaze.
Technology.
Technology.
Abuse.
Nayo kabye.
Freedom.
Kwishyira ukizana se.
No.
Ntabyo mfite ntabyo.
Authority.
Inshingano. Ibintu byose byarazamo.
When?
Hakuno do.
Hilarious.
Family.
Umuryango. Tekerezaho. Umuryango ni buri kimwe.
Next. What do you see?
Cutest
Iyi foto uri kubona iki?
puppy ever.
Ndi kubona ikibwana cy'imbwa cyiza.
What about this one?
Hanyuma singiye.
Oh, it's my favorite flower. Giving me a hug.
Ndi kubona ari ururabo rwanjye nkunda ruri kumpobera. Hakuno do.
Final image. Tell me
Ishusho
about
yanyuma
it.
bwira iki ni iki?
Infinite bunnies.
Ndakubona ari inkwavu zitarangira.
Getting sucked into a knife tornado.
Zimeze nk'iri ziri gukaragwa n'icyuma. Bari kuzikaraga ku cyuma. Bimeze nk'ari tornado.
Blood all over the galaxy.
Amaraso ari kwikaraga mu kirere nyine kwa kuri tornado isata ry'umuyaga. Bimeze nk'ari isata ry'umuyaga wuzuzemo inkwavu ziri gucikagurika imitwe amaraso nyine kiri kuvuga ibintu biterekeranye bitamaye agaciro.
And Mr. Richards, you are quantifiably the angriest man to ever.
Bisa naho ari we mugabo wa mbere ukiri umujinya mu bantu bose twigeze twakira muri izi show zacu.
Well, that really pisses me off.
Ibyo rero nabyo birandakaje ahubwo. Hakuno komeza imbere. Umugabo nimba we yaje gukina yaye marushanwa gusa yavuze ngo ntago yakina The Running Man.
Our jumpsuits are in here.
Kubona jumpsuits zacu ziri hano. Ya myenda abantu basimbuka mu ndege baba bambaye. Buri muntu wese afatiwe umwenda umukwiriye aho ngaho gisura biti kimukwiriye. Hanyuma muhindure mwambari. Hakuno rebe. Kambara hakuno. Richard we.
It would be us, man.
Nari mbizi ko turi buze kuba nitwe mwana umusa.
Come on, shit happens, right?
Rimwe na rimwe ibintu bijya biba mwana. Ni wa mukobwa ngo baturanye na wa musore bahuye ngo bita timu. Bisanze bari muri equipe imwe to. Chance Richard.
That's us.
Ngo nitwe bahamagaye mwana. Nitwe bwe bahamagaye. Umugabo umenye yaje muri The Running Man ndapfuye.
Add life to your days.
Hakuno to.
Not days to your life.
Hari umugabo uri hano wambaye gutyo bamwita makani twamubonye n'umwe mu bahigi babahiga abantu bashaka kubica. Ntimuze kugira gute ntimuze guhomba amasiganwa ari buze kuba nyuma kuri televiziyo bari kwamamaza show.
I always thought this was fake.
Nahoze ntekereza ko ibi bintu biba ari fake. Mwebwe mugiye kwiruka.
No.
Ntago wakwiruka ngo ucike ikigonga kuko none ndi kumva ari ibyanyabyo mwana. Rebe sibyo baso.
Feeling really osa.
None ndi kumva ibintu ari ibyanyabyo. Rebe hakuno umugabo afite ubwoba yambaye agapfuma kiwe.
Every second, y'all.
Hakuno hambere bamucanyeho. Rebe
Hey, Ann Richards, never would have made it without you.
Niweho mwana ntago nari kuba nageze hano udahari utanka baracagihe. Hakuno batangira kwerekana amashusho y'abagiye muri The Running Man imbere. Umugabo amenye yagiye muri The Running Man n'igisurubeti yambaye cyanditse inyuguti ya RM Running Man. Cyafite agasogisi k'umwana we.
Hey, so far so good. Don't worry, we'll keep it down.
Rebe hakuno
Mr. Richards?
Mr. Richards nawe arinjira. Ofisi bari kwinjiramo hano bagasohoka bakomeza bajya ahandi. Ubundi umuntu w'umugabo ntago yakabaye atinya urupfu. Kubera ko wasanga wenda urupfu aricyo kintu umuntu acamo agatangira kubaho ubundi buzima tutazi.
Dan
Killian niko banyita.
Relax.
Icara sha. Akabaye bafite amategeko kugira ngo mujye mumenye uko mufata abakire kirazira gusanga umukire muri ofisi ye. Kambagira inama muzabura amafaranga.
Running Man represents a return to the barbarism of
Nubwo abantu benshi bajya bavuga ngo Running Man gira gutya kagarura urugomo mu
the
bantu.
Roman Colosseum.
Ngo nkuko byagendaga kera muri za arena zo mu Baromani ba kera Colosseum. Roman Colosseum hahandi kera ba Spartacus bajyaga barwana n'abandi nkabo. Kera ntago ariko Running Man. Kera ntago ndi bukine The Running Man ariko.
Aware of your family crisis.
Zikibazo umuryango wawe ufite cy'ubukene.
And I think the contents of this envelope will help.
Kandi niyo mpamvu muri urwo rwego ngeka ke envelope yagufasha umugabo arakene.
If we come to an agreement,
kera nawe turamutse twemera.
Yours to keep.
Iyo envelope yabi yawe ukayigumana. Reba hakuno bamukubise $100 200 $100 kera muri 500.
I'll do any other show.
Oya ndakora indi show bana The Running
one's ever won on another show is 1,000 ND and I
Nubundi amafaranga mu zindi show batsindira amenshi abari igihumbi.
It sounds like a tremendous sum.
Kandi ndumva ari amafaranga ataguhagije pe.
But it's not enough to get your family out of
Yego na amafaranga nibyo ariko ntagahagije kuba yavana umuryango wawe.
So
muri iriya karitsiye yakwepa kinongo n'ibitsamura bubitse umutwe ngo ibinongo bitabaguye.
Merely surviving a single week.
Ariko ugiye muri Running Man niyo warokoka icyumweru kimwe.
We put the Richards in the top 1% of global wealth.
Byatuma uzamuka ukajya mu bantu b'abakire ba mbere kuri iyi si Richards we.
For yourself. Page 66.
Irebere kuri page ya 6 aho ngaho muri izo document nkoherereje. Hakuno to. Kuri page ya 6 yumaze iminsi 8 ubu maze gutsindira $86,000 by'amadolari. Bitekerejo.
I'm not trying to get myself killed.
Je nago chaka kuza kwicwa mugabo.
I'll be honest with you.
Reka mubwize ukuri rero mwana Richard. Mubwize ukuri nk'umugabo mugenzi.
Just to every contestant.
Naganiriye n'abantu benshi baje baza gukinira irushanwa rya Running Man biri kugerageza kumwinjizamo kandi yaje gukina andi marushanwa.
First time I've really meant it.
Ariko nibwo bwa mbere ngiye kukubwira ibi bintu mbikomeje byanyabyo. Uranyumva?
You have what it takes to win this game.
Ufite icyo byasaba kugira ngo utsinde uyu mukino.
Our viewers have a burning desire to see a runner go the distance and we've had
abantu bareba ikiganiro cyacu show yacu bamaze igihe kinini batabona umuntu ubasha guhangana ngabe yamara iminsi myinshi.
And come close. 29 days in season 1.
Umuntu wagerageje kugera kuri yamaze iminsi 29 muri season ya mbere kandi ubundi araba ari iminsi 30 habuze umunsi umwe kuva icyo gihe.
It's going to take somebody special to go the full.
Nta wundi muntu urakora ibintu nk'ibyo ngibyo urumva rero ko biri buze gusaba undi muntu udasanzwe kugira ngo yuzuze iminsi 30.
So I looked through your
kumaze kwibonera amafaranga ukuntu abahagaze.
Employment history.
Nanjye ndaje nze ndebe muri employment history yawe aho wagiye ukora nimba ufite experience.
And had my assistant shoot me your highlights.
Eka umwunganizi wanjye azabinyoherereze turebe hakuno kumwereka.
It's the most thrilling 10 seconds of video I've seen all year.
muri uyu mwaka wose iyi niyo video nubwo ifite amasegonda 10 niyo video iritirira nabonye nyine ishishikaje kuri baranyirukanye hariya
Hired by DefenseNet, the best.
Ariko waje gusubira mu kazi DefenseNet baguhakaza
downtown.
Kandi bahemba neza mu
Best dog shit, still dog shit.
Ikimbwa yanzushira hireba mwana ikimbwa bari iki
And why bet?
yaje hakuno shakandi hano yacumbi kureba bari kumuhigara bizwe bakune sanseri yaranapfuye do fungo yibaniyemo hagati cyacyaca hano sinzi igikarita yahabonye fayo chega cyo mu gace yitonze ayidero kase kugera n'imbeba nazo zikarimo cyane lesuhi aziminsi mbona zinyataka agiye mumenya ko umugisha wawe abaru wawundi ari uwundi.
Gotta make another one of these tapes.
Ngomba gufata indi tape hapo.
The guy who followed me.
Iteka naho ziri umugabo ugendera ku mategeko. Byiza.
Hasn't done much for me, obviously.
Cyo byigeze bimfasha abe namo.
I mean, I'm on the murder show.
Gerano ibonera urumogi hano muraro baratsimbye utuntu twano kugera nabona iburako akwibaya.
A grown-ass man playing hide and seek for money.
Nabaye umugabo mukuru kina ya mikino kwisha tugashakanya nk'abana ariko bikora amafaranga no kerenade. Mani shimwe.
I think I'll just lay low.
Nakeka nkeneye kubanza gutuza itadomeka rwara mu gihe sanze hano do. Ayitavana mibiri dore hayi.
Depraved. Demonic.
Kwereka twigarukire kuri Free V. Ni sheni cisha iki? Cisha imache musina isi dore ababirimo cyane yabyivanzemo.
And find out.
Rich and bold, it's those Americanos.
Rebano.
How do you like this energy wine? I'm a big fan. Love it. How about
Ako wine urayikunda ndayikunda ndetse cyane.
you, Bill?
Hanyuma se we Bill.
My favorite thing, Jim.
Akuno naga hotel yacumbitsemo kuri hasabo n'abagabo babasinzi bamwe babinywera byeri muri quartier kuri boutique do.
Why do we all have the same voice?
Wende kweri iki twese tugira ijwi rimwe. Rebano.
Relax, Ben.
Amasaha yo kohereza indi mail cyangwa se cya kimesa cya gikasete cyohereza cya video arabura amasaha 3 n'iminota 5. Jendi kumbe hakuno hari nu. Uwo byashaguye. Byiza kongera kukubona Frank do. Jendi imbeba do uriya mukinga. Umuntu uri hano ufite ibibazo byo mu mutwe bana n'uburwayi bwo mu mutwe. Byibura wora navuga. Umva ari kunoka ajanye. Ego ukuntu ndi kunuka fata agasabune hano shiramo ubusiripa. Ufite ububuno bubi gusa po.
I'll do it in the bathtub. Wait a minute. Great. But we do have this.
Hakuno.
Da.
Kigali we. Inzu yawe nzayitwika. Hakuno. Taragenda ariko.
We're hugging even if we know.
Ariko kureba umugabano.
Hey, Frank.
Frank nawe rero uracanganye. Umusazi wibereye hano byaje ngo. Amakuru atari ivumbi muri running man. Mugabo vayo. Tekereza. Wa musazi yareba gasi yatangira kumwibuka ariko nkuzi. Nkuzi. Cyaje no kureba. Bari modoka z'abahigi ziraparitse baje kuduhiga sasa. Wa musazi wari uri hano hasi n'abagabo bari bigize abasinzi ba muri quartier niwe baje guhiga. Ni babahigi nyagasani. Ha! Napfuye. Tazakuno. Fungura cyo harafunze do. Winjano. Subira mu cyumba cyawe wagisaza yitsimba mu mujyi hakuno. Bahigi baje.
I'm on 3.
Jendi kuri pro ya gatatu on 3. Yitayibetamo. Subira mindani to. Shakuno. Toilette sinzi. Kujya gucamo inyuma harafunze. Harimo amafera beto. Bashyizemo amagriage. Nkeneye ikira gikapu. Nkeneye igikapu cyanje. Nkeneye igikapu ndakora iki. Banza kura hakuno. Kanu kakuma. Ni kirahure hano. Kiro bya bishikarete yarari mahekenya. Akora retroviseur. Koze retroviseur abacinyuma itazamuka. Yirukanka.
I saw Ben Richards.
Yamubonye Ben Richards ari kumanuka hasi yirukanka. Itazamuka hejuru barangira kari hasi wahitazamuka hejuru. Zamutse hejuru kuri rooftop y'inyubako. Geze hejuru nimbaje kwareba ikisinzi. Maze iminsi ngo ndari kubaka imesinzi. Gikuba cyari cyacitse ariko ngimihanda yari yacurami. Se komba nasije babahunga ikibuga nkabona nta kintu bari kukimaza kanigarukira imyikorera. none yo ntahari mbona hapfa byinshi kize gutya baje kumuhiga baje ebe manukiye hakuno kigozi kiziritse hejuru amanuka ku nyubako arashaka kumanuka akajya muri afro yiwe yabagamo kujya kureba igikapu hakuno
confirming the location. I can reveal to you now the runner is Ben Richard.
Televiziyo nta kindi iri kuvuga kumena hakuno do nabanje imana
Mr. Richards, top of the top. Find out if he can walk the walk.
Birahure biragwa baramwumva
3. Chief McCone. The hunters have found their man.
Chief McCone yavuze ko abahigi bamaze kubona umugabo bashakaga to hakuno umugabo arabanza arava muri ya esumeri yambuye naho kwirukangira nta naho kwisha kubera ko bagiye guhiga bamufatiye mu nzu nta hantu ari bubacikire ni amakuru ari gucaho nayivu kuri Freevee ni sheni icisha iki uno mukino bayita Freevee na za drone kamera zamaze kwinjira mu nyubako do bapakira utuntu twe yagira nakamwe asiga hakuno sano ufatirana ya grenade yitoraguriye aba ni abahigi bari hanze y'icyumba rishara arimo bicaza arabona icyumba arimo bakimenye amasatsu faye umugabo atasimbukira ku mugozi ndagiye do manuka gutyo biranga kubera iki hakuno dore Chief McCone umuhigi mukuru do bravo byiza cyane aramupite baje kumuhiga anuka gutyo yijugunya mu yindi mfuro sanga umuraro uri kwinywera urumogi rikakuramo ibiri yadometse umusa usiko ndi kukureba kuri ya shoni ya televiziyo yitwa Freevee ngwiki kizwa n'amaguru kugera hakuno bari kumubona ari gukata do jabetse sasa umugabo Simba hakuno fata drone yaretse kumfata ibyo bifite wajyanye ariko kimena ikidrone ahiji bafayo esanseri ramanuka sinzi arayibanirongera iripfungura do jefite grenade mwana shugunyira grenade back at you kayikiva mu kanwa kanyira usubira n'ibyawe ndapfuye shugunya hejuru esanseri iracika umugabo amanuka gutyo sinzi sekura hasi sanga muri basement y'inyubako kira gutya sanga muri basement y'inyubako rero sinzi cyane ko yabonye ibintu by'ibita baracana rebe ko yabona urumuri ntago ari kureba hano kureba basement isohokera hanze kuri hano sinzi byatwitse zakuna arabanza arabafungirana icyo umugabo akeneye ni ukwimarira iminsi itanu hakuno harimo amaparufe atangira guturagurika parufe nazo buriya ni gaze zigezemo umuriro ziraturagurika hakuno masasu kureba hano abona imbeba ziba zizinjira zapanya kurasa hano barasihombe ya gaze irameneka nyagasani atinze mwana araturikiramo dore gaze hano hagiye guturika mugende mwana gaze baramwumva ahita yimanukira yarababuriye manuka cyo manuka mucyo sinzi cyeze mwana gaze yaraturitse kabum dore inyubako yose iraturika n'abahigi bose bari baje kumuhiga kubita hasi muri siwa muri amazi muri amahombo na za nzira zijyana amazi mabi yo muri toilette n'ibiki no muri dushe ewana kureba hano imbeba zamweretse inzira imbeba ziba zizi inzira zapanye shaka ugomba gutanga video mu masaha atarenze angahe hakuno ndacyari hano karya amazira mu kimwe shiriras tayari mu makuru amabara yabaye aho uyu mugabo yabashije kwica 8 mu barinzi ba network hakuno ibintu byose bibereye tayari filime witonze hakuno hari cyana kiri hano do
far as we know, the runner is still at home.
Cyane kirano mukiri kureba do.
They have the running man
Yirebe.
Hey, come on out.
Musazamuka mwana vayo.
I know you're here.
Ndabizi kuri hano vayo. Chuarwano.
Get off me.
Chigukariko.
It wasn't me.
Wewe wanhanze. Nako yari
I ain't no rat.
Je nako ndimbeba nako ndi snitch.
Go. Get big bro to take care of you.
Je kuzana mukuru wanje kwito.
You think your big bro can kick my ass after what I just went through?
Uracheka nyuma y'ibyo nanyuzemo mukuru wawe yankubita kanjo.
I'm not gonna kick your ass.
Nagaje kugukubita mu
kigo.
Aje gutabara gatafari. Cheneye ubufasha. Hakuno urwana ruri hano.
Gotta get off these streets, man.
Bantufe kuri imihanda ariko yawe n'icana kiri kumubwira ibintu.
Zoom's all up in this.
Hano hari amabande ari za kamera. Byose naga bitch.
The one's looking for you.
Kandi buri muntu wese ari kuguhiga, sibyo?
Hey. Hey, yo, stay here. I'll be
back. Kumano dash. Icyaje kasete cy'umugabo agomba kuri potinga. Ndagufite mwana Richards. Cyana kize kimutabare, kimutangire kasete kuko wageze hano baramwica barakushaka barabizi ko agomba kuhagera jugunya mwana. Bamweherereza dead gun bonus. Amadolari 80,000 Nyagasani. Yamabanda pire hari ahantu biturikiye. Babaze ko ari ubaturikije. Tugeze ku munsi wa kangahe? Wa gatanu. Munsi wa gatanu. Yirebe. Usore waje hakuno.
Nah.
Yeah.
Told you.
Sinakubwiye.
Ben Richards.
Ben Richards.
Usore
nimba yarakinnye muri All American harya yakinnye mu ye. Munyibutse.
The love update. How the hell you?
Hakuno. Twitsimbe mwana. Hakuno ni umwana ngo namukuru nabishura mwana.
Get me off the street for the night.
Mukamvana kuri iyi mihanda iri joro. Kare. Uraduhereza amadolari 5.
We need street meds.
Dukeneye imiti yo ku muhanda mwana.
My sister got cancer.
Rata dufite mushiki wacu urwaye kanseri. Kandi ararembye.
Make it 10.
Okay, nimba ari ibyo muyagira 10 nimba mufite mushiki wanyu urwaye ntari bimujye kumugura imiti.
God damn.
Umushakira imiti mizima. Nawe rwaje umwana arabizi uko bimera.
Hell of a price on your head.
Mwana uzi igiciro kiri ku mutwe wawe.
How fast can you run, Richards?
Wakwirukanga bingana iki Richards?
Faster every day.
Buri munsi mba nirukanka ariko.
Just a shocking amount of destruction here. The NCG on tactical alert.
Ikindi cyabaye batangiye gucizwa n'amaguru kuri televiziyo nta kindi kiro nta mahano umugabo yakoze.
The NCG bomb squad is on scene combing through the rubble for evidence.
Abashinzwe gutegurura ibisasu no gupima uko byagenze bahageze.
Preliminary reports indicate Richards set off the explosion in the basement.
Bavuze yuko Ben Richards ari we wateze ibiturika muri basement iriya nyubako.
His body is yet to be found.
Ariko umurambo we ntago barawubona abana bamuzanye iwabo tu. Hano hari akana karwaye baba bari gushyushya ibitoyi n'inshinge n'amapepeti. Iserenge harya ni senyenge. Kana karwaye hakuno.
You can set your grandkids up for life with one recording report.
You think the network would rather pay us reward money?
Umwana uriya mwana mwamuvuza mwakora nk'akantu kamwe muri ariya marushanwa mukamuvuza urakeka network abatwishyura.
Make up some bullshit and arrest us.
Bahita bagira ibyo badushinza bakadufa.
Have to get your sister real forms.
Ese wabaha amafaranga ahagije yo kuvuza mushiki wawe.
500 new.
Reka tuvuge ko mbahaye amadolari 500 y'inote nshyashya.
I can get you out of Boston.
Nahita nkuvana muri uyu Boston.
But it won't be for money.
Ariko ntabwo naba mbikoreye amafaranga mwana.
Bro,
Musa.
This dude ain't going nowhere.
Uyu murara n'ubundi nta hantu yajya.
Goons got the hood surrounded.
Amabandi yazengurutse ikaritsiye yose.
Stop.
Rekeraho mwana. Hakuno hari akana karwaye.
Little pinch and everything's gonna be okay.
We ni akantu gatoya ngiye kukujomba uburibwe bugahita bukemba. Akana karwaye hano. Karwaye
kanze. Find out tomorrow.
Akora ishara aracyari muzima cyangwa tuzabimenya ejo. Hakuno yaza kuzima igiteleviziyo.
No, you seem like a smart cat.
Mwana umenye uri umuhanga ariko.
What made you sign up to be a cog in their
Ubundi niki cyatumye ujya gusinyira kuza muri ibi bintu? Nizi propaganda zababaga.
I'm just trying to take care of my family.
Nari ndi kugerageza kwita ku muryango wanjye musore.
Just like you and your sister.
Nkuko nawe na mushiki wawe bimeze. Bamwita John.
But my kid was sick.
Ubwo mwana wanjye yararwaye.
Sent my wife enough to get her well.
Naweherereje umugore wanjye amafaranga ahagije yo kuvuza umwana.
Now I'm trying to win enough to get them out.
None ubu ndi kugerageza gutsindira menshi yo kubavana mu bibazo.
She's only 2.
Umwana wanjye afite imyaka 2
If I do my job,
rero ndamutse nkoze akazi kanjye.
Freedom remember Slumside.
Ntabwo umwana wanjye yazongera kwibuka ngo gutura muri kwepa Kinonko ni gute. Sari chatsi we.
I can get you past that blockade.
Nakurenza ziriya barriere zose ziri hano muri uyu mujyi.
Couple days to set it up. So.
Ariko biraza kunsaba iminsi mbipange.
Hot out here in the meantime.
Rero ugiye kuba witsibye hano muri iyo minsi.
You know, you could go to full 30 if you play smart.
Urabizi kuramutse ukoranye ubwenge iminsi 30 wayimara.
And what makes you such an expert?
Ni iki kikugira umuhanga kuri urwo rwego musaba?
Tune in to find out.
Oye tegereza uzaba ubibona. Tune in and find out.
The pulpit.
Urakaza neza muri pulpit sha. sore hano afite ikintu cy'igisitidiyo mu rugo tangiye kumwereka amavideo y'abandi bagiye bakina uriya mukino mbere yiwe do.
What goes on behind the scenes of the biggest freebie show of all time?
Ni ibiki bibera inyuma y'amakamera mutajya mubona inyuma y'amarido muri freebie.
Hustle, episode 30.
Kaza neza kuri Apostle episode ya 30 umusore ufite ikiganiro kiwe n'abajya yikorera.
And distribute. The network has 3 types for every run.
Oh my. Network ubundi baba bafite abantu b'ubwoko butatu muri buri masiganwa bagiye gutegura.
Type 1, hopeless dude.
Type ya mbere aba ari umuntu udafite ibyiringiro.
Hopeless dude is cursed with a fatal misunderstanding of human nature.
Ni wa muntu utabasha gusobanukirwa kamere y'ikiremwa muntu.
He usually lasts less than 48 hours.
Ntajya arenza amasaha 48. Yari team baramwe.
And get me.
Aje mukamfata. Akuno uyu musore agiye afite amavideo y'uburyo bagiye bicwamo nyuma y'amazi.
Type 2, negative dude.
Hanyuma uwa kabiri ni umuntu utabona ibintu nk'uko abandi babiri.
Negative dude knows he ain't got a chance in hell.
Yewe nta n'amahirwe yabona uko byagenda kose. Nimba amaze gutangira gukora ibyo atangira kubisohokamo ubuzima bwanjye burarenze sha.
Smoke by the end of week 1 because he buys too much ass and not enough food.
Impamvu bamwishe nuko yaguze udutafari twica kwibagirwa ubwenge umwirukansa.
He often serves himself up.
Hakuno yo nawe
Suck dicks in hell!
murakapfa.
Run her down!
Type 3.
Hanyuma umuntu wa gatatu rero.
Oh yeah, final dude.
Wa undi wanyuma final dude.
Final dude has a fierce will to
niba ufite ubwenge bwabasha kurokoka byibu.
Never wins. The network cheats.
Kubera ko network baramwiba bateguriye amarushanwa.
They can find anyone, anytime.
Ko baba bashaka uwo bashaka uwo ari we wese aho yaba ari hose kanya kari ko kose.
They let him run
13 days and just like
Papa umunsi wa 13
always said you
can papa njye wajyaga bivuga.
Try but you can't catch a ghost.
Wagerageza ariko ni wafata umuzimu na amavideo y'abandi bagiye bakina uriya mukino The Running Man imbere uyu musore ari kumwereka.
By the end of week 2, ratings usually peak.
Oh shit.
The crowd, blood and final dude becomes a victim of his own success.
Baje kumubona hakuno.
From destiny.
Sinzi n'iki byose.
But they never outrun.
Uko yagira kose ntago yabasha kubacika. Uwo ni Jema ko.
I'm the running man!
Muri Running Man do. Musya mu bupande pande.
That's game.
Rest in peace.
Is that supposed to inspire me?
Oh,
Urachekira ibyari kumfasha ikisi byari kuntera ingabo mu
come on, man.
Yego mwana.
Don't you get it?
Ese nako bibona.
After that escape tonight, live, prime time.
Nyuma yuko wacitira ijoro live abantu bose babireba.
You are final dude.
Ni wewe final dude, ni wewe wanyuma wabasha kurokoka. Ntabwo uri kubibona.
Gonna squeeze every last drop of ratings out of your ass. So
bagiye kugukamura bagukamuremo buri kantu kose kari gutuma abantu bagukunda. Bari kureba iri rushanwa.
So negative dude flames out to get somewhere safe, which gives us enough time to set you up for the biggest underdog win in game show.
Icyo tugomba gukora ngiye kugushakira ukuntu uba witsinze biduha igihe cyo gupanga uburyo uri buze gutsinda aya marushanwa. Aba ari wowe uyatsinze byanyabyo mu mateka.
So where the hell is safe?
Hehe ni hitsimbye rero hehe ndaba nitsimbye.
Working on it.
Nabyo ndi kubikoraho mwana genda gake. Genda gake ufite ikihe kibazo. Niko. Hakuno.
Ben pal, it's been a while.
You sure you know what you're doing?
Yego mwana, hari yaciye maka. Ibintu uri gukora urabizi neza mugabo.
Guess we'll find out.
Ndakeka turaza kureba hano hari kwiziniyeri yibanye.
Package headed your way. Yeah, special delivery as seen on Freevee.
Ni igipfunyika kidasanzwe abonye kuri Freevee.
Okay.
Okay. Ndabona ubikoze. Bana bibanira n'umumama wabo.
And pick up location B. Got it.
Sawa, location ndayo.
Baby.
Hakuno.
Okay.
Akana karwaye. Yirebe. Abo yaje hano. Kareba akana karwaye kibuka umugore we. N'umwana we nicyo cyatumye nawe aza muri aya marushanwa.
The 5-year-old get lung cancer.
Ese uriya mwana ungana kuriya ni gute yarwaye kanseri yo mu bihaha?
Radioactive dust.
Ni umukungugu urimo ama radioactive umwana urimo uburozi bwica.
From the Rhode Island explosion.
Kuri Rhode Island haje guturika.
I heard about that.
Ko ntigeze mbyumva.
You never heard of it because the network owns the news.
Impamvu utabyumvishije nuko network ubwo reka tubyite nka leta aribo bayobora itangazamakuru barigenera icyo rivuga.
They own that munitions factory just
aribo bagena inganda zikora intwaro.
Like they own the government.
Nibo bafite leta mwana.
With safety regs, right?
Niki cyari gutuma biraburiza kandi bari bafite umutekano.
June got sick.
Nukuri ya mwana Junior arwaye. Yahumetse umwuka urimo uburozi urimo ama radioactive.
Watching execs, not the technicos.
Yaje hakuno yifate video nk'ibisanzwe.
I'm talking to the people in the co-ops.
Cyane kuvuga abantu bakorana na
leta. Their job, the squatter tribes. The kid's getting shot.
Abana bari kurasirwa ku mihanda.
Looking at a goon the wrong way.
Kubera yuko barebye amabandi nabi gusa.
There's something you all need to know.
Hari ikintu kimwe mwese mukene kumenya.
The network is giving our kids cancer and they
network iri gutuma abana bacu barwara amakansi.
Bring it up.
Barangiza bakanabisibanganya. Video agiye koreza mwibuke video bazikisha kuri Asheni ya Free V.
I'm still here. You shit eaters.
Nabi korje mwe mwokarya abantu uza mwe. Ndacyahari. Ewa.
Ladies and gentlemen,
last
night,
7
men and 1 woman gave their lives to protect
ours.
Their country only matched by the love for their children.
Kubera urukundo bakunda igihugu cyabo n'abana babo. Hakuno babandi uyu mugabo yaturikije nta nubwo ari we baturikije barashanu hari mitiyo ya gazi irabashwanyaguza ariko bari kubishinzwe.
Someone chose to end the lives of these 8 heroes. And
that's umuntu wagerageje wafashe umwanzuro wo kurangiza ubuzima bw'aba bantu bw'izi ntwari umunani.
Someone was Ben Richards.
Kandi uwo muntu nawe ni Ben Richards.
His new tape just arrived. Let's see what he has to say about it.
Tape yiwe cyangwa se kasete yifasha video irahageze reka twumve ibyo avuga.
For all you watching,
not
the execs, not the technicals. If you live in a tower uptown, I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to the people in the co-ops. Water tribes, the ones who can't get a job. The kids getting shot. They're looking at a goon. Something you all need to know. I laughed my ass off smoking those goons. Laughing at the screams. I was laughing at their kids. Now you know how it felt when Daddy did it to someone else.
Say that.
About the network. What kind of world are we living in?
Isi dusigaye tubamo ni bwoko kimwe sinayisi nabivanze mugabo aramubeshyeye kandi birafashe.
Now 20,000 new dollars.
Shindi cyabaye abana bakomeje gufasha bakumuzanya hakuno tu.
It's getting crazy out here.
Hakuno.
Yeah, we gotta roll. You ready?
Ese uriteguye tugende twagiye. Tugende kabisa. Hakuno. Bebe. Gutya baradukurikiye mwana baradukurikiye umugabo ari kubyumva ngo abana nimba ari ndubakurikiye sinzi hakuno baracyadukurikiye mwana nje kubumva mwana hakuno mutwe muri putu y'imodoka mwana urimo ibinogo za pothole urimo ibintu by'ibinogo masasa byivangamo Here, hakuno kureba hakuno arabakurikiye kurikiye sinzi ariko bayacawe fata urupfunguzo rw'ipine kubita hakurya warasigara sinzi ariko ahita afungaho yahita afungaho bigishyushye mwana umusa tugende fata feri
You good?
Meze neza mwana meze neza wagwa barashe inyuma ya subira inyuma gonga imbwashukunya hakurya nibere mwana ewa nibikorye turabigonze twijire kureba barabigonze bahita bikomereza imbere abana babiri biyemeje gufasha iki gufasha Ben Richards ngatsinda y'amarushanwa tugende.
My pen pal needs a day to prep transport to a shelter.
Mwana umurara wanje ari kuza kudutora akene kubanza gushaka ukuntu ari bukugezeyo.
You can trust him with your life.
Umwizere n'ubuzima bwawe bwose mwana.
Just don't mention hot dogs around the man.
Ariko ni muri kumutaza kuvuga ijambo hot dogs ni bene bino biryo by'ama fast food nk'amasosiso yapo amasosiso cyangwa sausage nazo ni za hot dogs.
Hot dogs?
Yep.
Simvuga ijambo hot dogs.
Go catch that slow train to Maine. Less people in the sticks.
Dufate gari ya moshi yerekeza muri Maine.
But keep your head down and don't trust
anyone. Kandi utagira umuntu wizeye.
This guy.
Usibye uyu murara wenyine ngutumye. Abari we wenyine wizeye.
Down for the call.
Bamwita Elton. Hardcore.
You really think this will work? Look, we
know
they track the envelopes.
You
You pre-shoot the rest of your self-tapes, my man. Head south, drops them on the way while I get safe. The ground, they won't know. Must be that. Just in case. Helping me. We don't got each other's back. This game's over before it even begins.
The network fakes these self-tapes, but they just do something instead. Dear Diary, I woke up with the blahs today. My regular gig of killing time for a me day.
So I breakfast in bed. I blew up a courthouse. I know. Creature of habit. Gonna love to an illegal immigrant sheep. You know how a sheep tells you it's horny.
But we'll see you as the last laugh when McCone catches him lacking. Now, let's see if Miss Laughlin has burned through the last of her running money.
We're still here! Damn, Richard, that's a tough act to follow, but...
Definitely her.
Laughlin, real. Sheep boy's going down.
No way.
I got 10 clams, says Ben Rich next.
Oh, come on.
Piss the network off all the way.
That's why he's gonna win. The guy. Yeah, he's one of us. Take it up. Final runner. That's a bet. Damn straight.
Seen this Richards guy?
No. But he sounds like quite the character.
He's blind, you fucking idiot.
Me again. Look, here's the real deal. Out here trying to fight the power. I'm not that fun. I need to win and get back to my family. See me throwing mouth parties. Don't see me at all.
Just in time, Father. It's the best takeout in Maine.
Keep clear. This is a self-driving vehicle.
Hey, Father.
Paddy.
Can I ask you something?
My
son. I got this girlfriend. Okay.
Okay?
Am I going to hell for using rubbers? You will go for not using them. I have 10 brothers and sisters. My father said he was in hell every single day.
Thanks,
Father. Have a good night. Careful out there.
Who stops me from seeing my daughter again?
mukurikiye amukurikiye mweho hakuno cyo kwicara padiri ntabwo twe itarenga senyenge hakuno ari kumuhiga baje kira gutya umusore yamukurikiye ahita yijugunya muri gari ya moshi hakuno ahita yiva amajya mu yindi garuka inyuma.
Fuck you, Richards! Die!
Kijari shawo kapfa wepfa ibyupfa. Tugeze ku munsi wa kangahe wa 13 aba masaha n'iminota 15.
Fellow citizens, and let me make this clear
reka ibi mbibabwiza ukuri
for the cheap seats. If on this show I died for the two things I believe in,
muri show napfira ibintu bibiri nize,
my wife
umugore wanje
and my kid,
n'umwana wanje twenyine,
and everyone else can fuck off.
Ibindi byose n'undi wari we wese baragapfa. Hakuno do hari kampeni yatangiye Richards lives up boss ari kumuburana rishara agomba kubaho. Gashya hakuna abantu bari kureba free share ya televiziyo kino kiganiro The Running Man waza kureberamo nk'abandi bose do.
She rolled the dice on a very public appearance at the Holy Grail Casino.
Wa mukobwa nawe ari gukina urusimbi do. Mukobwa ari gukina urusimbi ski keza nasanga mukobwa umukobwa hakuno nagiye cyamamare kazi umukobwa arabizarika abahigi bamugezeho nawe aracika wa mukobwa wundi nawe uri gukina abasigaye. Mukobwa arabacike wana n'abacike mu bagiga. Mukobwa yari kureba Ben Richards ari kureba kunabaho umukobwa murakari kiri iki kirano bafata pose uyo.
Not so fast, Miss Laughlin. No blaze of glory for you.
Hakuno aje kumufata bamutwika nawe.
Now I know
yarabibonye.
Bobby T, you didn't get the key.
Bobby T akari we wamwishe.
We didn't.
Nta nubwo ari twe twamwishe.
Hey there.
Ibyana nibyo byamwishe.
Jack and Cheetah, brave defenders of their community.
Abahanga barinda societe.
Overtake.
Sorry, hunters. All you managed to kill was my vibe. The kids don't drink and drive.
Ntimubizi ko abana batwara banyweye koko. Ewan, nibwo bazaga kumutwika abana.
That's some hot footage.
Abana bamutwitse ari kwifata video aziko yacitse.
Jeff and Cheetah will receive a lifetime
supply of ikintu tuzabahemba.
Untwinked cereal.
Tuzajya tubahemba ibintu tuzi by'ubuzima bwabo bwose.
And then there was one.
Asigaye wenyine Ben Richards. Ben Richards ni usigaye. Ewa wa munara we wacha abantu bari kumufana.
Successful contestants since season 1.
Abantu bari kumufana tugeze ku munsi wa 10 na kangahe 13 mwibuke ari ahantu ari kwerekeza.
Come on, hurry. Hunters will be out.
Bahiji mukanya bizi baraba bari hano hanze.
Things are going to start ramping up.
Ibintu bitangiye kuba ikibazo.
Surprised if they fire up the DNA sniffers tonight.
Sindi buze gutungurwa nibohereza DNA sniffers iri joro.
I don't want anything else. I don't need anyone.
Shirano.
Tough guy.
Is that clear?
Sanga umukecuru nawe ari kureba televiziyo umukecuru uri muri iyi nzu kwa musore bamwereje ngo amufashe.
I'm not looking for any friends. Don't ask for an autograph.
Elsie! What if he's in dairy?
He's not in dairy, Mom.
Wasanga uyu musore ari muri izi karitsiye zacu za
Oh, it's fine. She thinks you're an actual demon, but she's
amari gutekereza kuri daimon.
fairly deaf. We can use
ariko humura ntago
our
yumva.
normal voices.
Twakoresha amajwi asanzwe kibi nuko haza.
Well, bastard.
Icyo kinyendaro mukinyice. Muyara byo.
Hunt him down!
Muhige mbwa. Napfuye.
She used to be a kind, clever woman.
Yahoze ari umugore mwiza w'umwana mwiza mama.
This is where it all happens.
Aha byose byabereye.
Amateur lab for making handcrafted soap, as far as you know.
Hakuno laboratoire iri hano.
Normal, non-revolutionary literature. Wink, wink.
Kumusobanurira.
My harmless community newsletter.
Hano niho nandikira ibinyamakuru bya
Drift?
So,
hot dogs.
what's a DNA sniffer?
Arya mukanya kuvuze ngo DNA sniffer ni iki? Hey.
Black ops scanners that ID highly fragile.
Ni plackers zikora ariko zitemewe
Segmented strands of DNA.
Uburyo bagenda baguhiga bakoresheje DNA zawe noneho.
These things are hidden in every street lamp across the country, which is why you
igihugu cyose kikaba kiri kuguhiga.
Gotta get underground ASAP.
Ariyo mpamvu iyo bitangiye ubukeneye kuja ahantu munsi y'ubutaka vuba cyane byihuse iyo batangiye gukoresha DNA sniffers. Sniffers bundi to sniff nuguhunahuna kwa kundi mbwa zigenda zihunahuna. DNA sniffers rero ni amamashini bagenda bakoresha arimo amadrone arimo n'ibindi bintu byesitaye ku muhanda ku buryo aho uciye hose bahita babona warning bagende kuri DNA zawe. Rero ukeneye kujya hehe kujya munsi y'ubutaka nko mu buvumo cyangwa
Man, if you want to ask, just ask.
Mwana niba ari cyo ushaka kumva zakimbaza.
What is that? What's a hot dog cart?
Kiriya gikati cyanditse hot dog kandi baramubujije.
My dad was a cop.
Papa yari umupolisi.
A good cop.
Yari umupolisi w'umwana mwiza.
Quit in protest when the network privatized local police.
Yasezeye akazi bitewe n'ukuntu network aritangiye gufata abapolisi ashaka kwikorera nk'umupolisi wo muri quartier bisanzwe.
Officers should be accountable to the towns that pay them, not the government.
Yatekerezaga yuko umupolisi aba agomba gukorera abantu bamuhemba apana guverinoma imuha amategeko.
Sure as hell not some megacorp.
Yari umupolisi mwiza.
We bought the cart.
Nibwo yaje kugura iki kimashini gikora hot dogs.
Busted his ass. We never missed a meal.
Akigifite ntitwigeze tubwirirwa cyangwa tubura.
Better an honorable hot dog vendor than a crooked goon.
Yaragiye yicururiza hot dogs kurusha kubi bandi rikorera leta.
But his friends who signed on with the NCG didn't appreciate his choices.
Ariko abapolisi bari bamaze gusinira NCG bakoranaga nawe ntago bigeze bishimira ko yari abavuyemo agiye gucuruza ibyo bituzi.
They let him know every chance they got. He made damn sure we were safe in this house.
Nta kindi cyabaye rero. Papa yamenye neza ko atwereje mu nzu ahantu turinzwe.
Every time he took that card out.
Buri gihe yasohokanaga kiriya kimashini agiye guhiga ibiceri.
Well, you see what it did to my mom.
Ndakiye kubonye ibyo bakoreye mama bari abapolisi.
It's what they did to my dad.
Ni nabyo bakoreye data rero.
His buddies on the force never solved the case. They're the ones who killed him. But you can't kill an idea.
Muzehe bakimara kumwica abamwishe abapolisi bakoranaga nawe ntago bigeze bagerageza kugira gute gushaka uwamwishe cyangwa se ngabiryozwe.
Dad was their worst.
Ikindi kintu na kimwe bigeze babikora ariko buriya wakwica igitera wakwica ikibimutera.
A free man with a conscience.
Data yego yari ameze nk'umuntu babangamira ariko byangumye.
And everything they destroyed in him lives on in me.
Buri kintu barimbuye cyari muri data gisigaye kiba muri njye.
A nuclear blast.
Bimeze nk'ari igisasu kindimo kizaturika.
It never burns out.
Ariko kitaraturikira hano hanze. Hanyuma.
Monster.
Tumwemo kuri iyi monster sha.
I'm good.
Oya meze neza. Monster ni energy drink nka kuriya wumva ngo super commando bayita super commando hari imwe regisi ya mama.
You can't outrun fate. You cannot.
Akuno batangiye kumwohereza nawe. Ntago washika ikigomba kukubaho. Ati ibyo ntago ari ukuri. Yashiramo hano.
Before he was killed, Dad refurbed this Cold War shelter he found in a nearby forest. I have a detailed map for how to get there. You can survive down there for 3 years, but you'll only need it for 2 weeks. Reshoot the rest of your tapes tomorrow.
Amatapes yose cyangwa se amakase tuzakenera kugira ngo ukomeze wohereze mu minsi isigaye.
What do you think?
Tekereza iki dushutingiye kuri ishusho ya Che Guevara. Iyi ngiyi iseyo.
Maybe just white.
Kwa shutingiye ku y'umweru. Iyi ngiyi. Ni nayo kubita ku mutima sha.
You can be arrested just for having the truth in your house. So these won't be distributed until right after you win.
What the hell?
It's a special issue on the network's most heinous crimes.
What to do with me?
A bomb's chemicals hold great power. But without an initiator to make it go boom, it's harmless. You know why they cheered for you down there? They think you just might win. And if you can survive against those chemicals...
What the hell?
It's a special issue on the network's most heinous crimes.
What does that have to do with me?
A bomb's chemicals hold great...
Be
distributed until right after you win.
What the hell?
It's a special issue on the network's most heinous crimes.
What is that? What have to do with me?
Chemicals hold great power. But without an initiator to make it go boom, it's harmless. You know why they cheered for you down there? They think you just might win. You can survive against those goons, so can they. People have had it. This country's ready to blow. And you're the
iki gihugu kimeze nkaho cyiteguye guturika akanya kari ko kose ariko ni wowe mbarutso ni wowe gishirira.
I'm not the initiator.
Reka ntago ngende imbarutso nta gishirira kindi mo ndakuyana.
I'm a guy trying to get back to his family.
Genda umugabo uri kugerageza gusubira ku muryango.
It's you against the world either way, brother.
Nubundi se kari wowe uhanganye n'isi yose icyo wakora cyose muvana.
We both.
Wabaye byombi. Umva mukecuru. Ana umukecuru nawe useka. Ukuntu utamenya.
My mom thinks the bathroom across the hall is haunted, so that's all you.
Mama yaravuze ngo ntaga zahagaruka ngo harimo amadayimoni ubwo nahawe honyine hari haunted.
The light in the hallway is off. She's asleep.
Cecuru araryamye humura. Musore.
I appreciate what you're doing.
Nagushimira ibyo uri gukora.
But if they find out you helped me, those same goons that got your dad.
Ariko nibaramuka bamenye kuri kumfasha amabandi yishe papa wawe.
They'll come for you.
Nawe bazaguhiga.
You can help.
Kwereka.
This message is for Kathy.
Ibyumweru bigaye bibiri.
In case you see this.
Injebo kimaze kuba 52,000 by'idolari. Ibyo mbonye niki cyanasinze. Rebe, byumweru bibiri.
This message is for Kathy.
Iyi ni message nohereje Kathy 52,000 hatariho ya bonus y'amabandi yishe.
In case you see this someday. I wanted to impart a little dad advice.
Nuramuka ubonye aka kantu umunsi umwe uzamenye kari inama papa yakugiriye.
Rule 1.
Tegeko rya mbere mwana wanje.
Take care of your mom. She's your best friend.
Uzite kuri mama wawe n'inshuti yawe.
Rule 2.
Tegeko rya kabiri.
Bullies are cowards.
Guserereza abandi n'ubugwa. Umuntu najya guserereza uje umwishyura.
Rule 3.
Tegeko rya gatatu.
Can be kind and strong at the same time.
Waba umwana mwiza kandi ukaba n'umuntu ukomeye icyarimwe byakunda. Nanyu.
Rule 4.
Tegeko rya
Don't trust the network.
Ntuzizere network cyasaba abantu bakora ibi bintu.
Ever. And rule 5.
Tegeko rya gatanu mwana wanje.
You remember, your dad loves you a whole lot.
Ujye wibuka ko papa agukunda kandi cyane.
I'll be looking for you. No matter what.
Nzakomeza ngushakisha ahantu uzajya hari hose mwana wanje. Cyabi cyari cyose. Unyari hano mukecuru amubona. Yari mbizi kari wowe.
Murderer.
Wacicanye.
Stay away from my elf.
Ujye kure y'umwana wanje mukecuru. Mukecuru.
You'll never eat puppies again.
Mom, no.
Ugiye cyane gukanda kumuruza. Ihuruza bari abantu baza guhigwa umusore mukecuru.
Ma'am. If you press that button, the NCG will come and fire you.
NCG baraza.
Okay, they will not care who gets caught in the crossfire. It will be a bloodbath. Need every goon in the state coming through that door, right? Don't.
What crime would you like to report?
Ni icyaha kimushaka gutanga ni polisi w'amagana.
Ben Richards just broke into my home.
Ben Richards yanyinjiriye mu nzu.
I saw you.
Mama yakubonye ubundi yari kubikora ngwino tujede mwana.
5 minutes to fight with these guys.
Yene minota 5 mbere yuko bari abajinga bagera hano.
Grab your stuff, I'll get the zines.
Fata ibintu byawe nanjye ngira ibyo negure wana dore mukecure wana. Aha. Arahiye yaje wakunahita fata mapu. Fata ibice cyose apakira yihuse.
It's dangerous.
Ntabwo uri kumva mama ibi ni bibi.
Get in the safe room.
Mama ajya mu cyumba gifite umutekano. Nshaka kubona uriya mujinga bamwica. Nshaka kumubona bamwica. Yararahiye yarahagiye. Humekera hejuru. Dododo. Bahageze. Faya. Bahageze bakiba. Tabazi sansurira vuga sinzi ariko. Dododo. Sansurira vuga. Sansurira cyaravuze. NCG bahageze. NCG ni leta ikorana n'abande. Mama.
Richards is in
arimo hano muri koridoro kino kibaryi niba kiri Nyagasani. Mukecuru. Mukecuru ndeka ngende mwana wanjye reka ngende. Nshaka kureba ariko yahita afungirana umukecuru. Ngwino hano mwana ngwino hano tugende.
You shot up the wrong hall. We're over here.
Nabikora igihe mwana ahantu hatariho twe turi hano. Hakuno biteze ibintu utamenya by'ibitsinga by'ibishanyarazi biteze za hakuno ufatira imbunda irasa amazi.
Are you crazy?
Asura umusazi mwana.
We don't have time to play games.
Ntagiye dufite cyo gukina imikino.
Yes, we do.
Turagifite.
Fastest the hunters ever arrived on scene was 4 minutes 30 seconds.
Umuhigi wa mbere ugera hano yihuse arahagera mu minota 4 n'amasegonda 30.
We'll be long gone by then.
Twe turaba twagiye kare aba binje hakuno NCG nk'abapolisi bo ntago ari abahigi. Abagenga mwe muze turi hakuno baza hano uyu twabonye yateze ibintu by'ibishanyarazi arabanza pompa imbunda baza kuzamura yewe aca hakuno yarabareba arasaba amashanyarazi abahereza bene wabo abaha bene wabo Chengundi inyama ziriho n'agafiriti wacikwa ryose ziriho n'inyama wokeje twagiye ngira gutya shyiraho rezano twagiye ca mu gikuta narakurikira umusore inzu ye yipanze atuje agica muri reza bahita babatwika twagiye zamuka hejuru sinzi ariko barakurikiye kubera iki turi hejuru mwana kandi bazamuka kuri esikariye sinzi umusore kira gutya kururano esikariye zijugunya abagabo umusore inzu ye yipanze atuje Elton kubera iki turi kuzamuka hejuru aho kumanuka zahapuno kubera ibi ngibi.
You brought us up here so you could slide down a pole. I brought us
Zanyano kugira ngo tumanukire kuri iki cyuma.
So we could slide down.
Nkuzanyano kugira ngo tumanukire kuri iki cyuma nyine. Agitinda amasasa aravuga nagiye icyamamare. Nawe ahita amanuka do.
4 minutes flat.
Sinakubwiye iminota ine. Kubwiye ngo twagiye kare.
We are still in the gut.
Turacyari muri iyi nzu twagiye hehe se? Twagiye. Azakuna kuracya kimashini cya hot dogs zamura hakuno kumbe mo hano harimo inzira. Ihinguka munsi y'iki? Munsi y'inzu harimo ubuvumo mo hasi mu nzu.
Tactical flashlight. Pretty powerful.
Yeah.
Come on.
Mwana. Kugera hano kumba abahigi bagezemo. Elton akigera hano muhigi yahise mutaba.
I'm gonna sever your Achilles and drag you outside. Chief wants to end your run in person.
Chef garashaka kwirangiriza.
Camera.
Kuri kamera. Uratse. Kigabo. Nawe. Mubaga mu kiganza. Musore. Sinzi. Irakurikira ariko. Zinga hakuno ibyazinga. Fatira urwembe hano ni urwembe. Kati kigabo munsi wakaguru cyewe. Ewe. Ufatira imbunda. Umusa wagwani.
Don't let him answer that.
Tatuma yitabiriye ya telefone arayita.
Still there?
Aracyari cyane. Mumereze. Fata sha. Ibiri nete hano.
There he is.
Ndakubona umusa bimeze bite.
Mr. Richards, you are killing it.
Killing it.
Kubikora kabisa.
People are dying, you fucking psychopath.
Abantu bari gupfa musazi we.
If you can fake everything, why do you
ibintu byose wabasha kubifeka nkuko wafetse zira video?
Just fake the whole show.
Show bundi yo wife.
Believe me, we have tried.
Twarabigerageje.
That special unpredictable spark.
Ariko abantu hari ukuntu bagira gutya bagashyiramo akamanyeri nyine utamenya aho gaturutse.
Lives for these happy accidents.
Abantu bagashimishwa nabyo.
A little advice?
I'll pass.
Reka nkugire inama.
Make sure my family gets the money.
Jeni napfa mumenye neza ko umuryango wanjye uzabona ibiciro. Richards wigenda ariko.
You can still win this game, but you have to play it smart.
Uyu mukino wawe utsinda ariko ugomba kuwukina n'ubwenge.
Send a rover into that tunnel.
Nohereje kamera muri iyo tunnel.
Finish off that hunter. Wait for my cue to exit.
Nangize umuhigi hanyuma umbwire nkwereke inzira uri busohokere.
You want me to off one of your own guys?
Uragira ngo ndangize umwe mu basore bawukoresha.
It's all good freebie.
Byose abari sawereka kuri freebie.
Okay, on you.
Freebie ni asheni nyine abantu babibona babona ari show.
5, 4, 3.
Gutya. Na imbunda.
1.
Segonda 5 na 3 rimwe. Arasigi kamera hosh.
Get in.
Hakuno. Shiramo
What about the door?
Muryango urafunze. Amaze twagiye bikicyuke. Muryango zupfutse. Kimodoka bicometse mano. Chometse mu kimodoka sinze ariko. Ariya mwana hakurya. Manuka hakuno mu ishyamba sinze ariko. Yanayimbwa. Mwana wa maraya badukurikiye bazanye imbunda. Ambuka kiriya kiraro bayunsiga. Jemba sigasi nyuma mbakerereza. Ibintu by'ibisasu utamenya.
Survival is the win.
Urakoka niko utsinda ha.
us. Remember? You're the initiator.
Wibuke mwana umeze nkaho uri imbarutso umusore bakigenda isasu riramurya. Isasu ryaramuriye. Makon uhiji mukuru bimeze bite se? Biza gucakana ikimodoka arabanza aragikata. Richard Green Light mu mwica umubona mwice. Green Light yatanzwe. Hiji hakuno. Sorry baramubona. Ahani u Rwanda ruherera Richard nta handi ho kwirukankira ufite. Genda imbarutso. Amen initiator. Jewe kabitera ubundi nijya kabitera. Kandi nicyo gitera iki kibimutera kandagira imodoka yuzuye ibisasa arangije agira gutya arayijabuka. Kabum! Musore! Manuka cyo yicomeka amazi. Bahita bamwongera ibihumbi 100 by'umuhigi yishe.
The hunt. Can you feel it?
Muri kubyumva mwe musina yisagaruka mu kirori.
Your heart beats faster.
Wa 17 niho tugeze noneho dore ibyo bohereje biri kumuhigato. Ibipfaru.
It's no game.
Uyu mukino ntago ukiri umukino.
Life and death are on the line.
Bisa nkaho ari ubuzima n'urupfu noneho biri ku murongo umwe.
You feel it, Mr. Richards?
Kubyumva Mr. Richards?
Congratulations.
Félicitations.
You took out a hunter.
Wishe umuhigi, hantu y'umwishe w'abari ibihumbi 100.
Now it's down to 4 of them.
Ubu hasigaye abahigi bane gusa.
Plus every citizen of this great nation.
Twongeye abene igihugu b'iki gihugu.
5 paces west of Big Rock.
Hakuno yararebye, banza reba kuri ya mapanu bamurangiye ngo hari ubuvumo, kureba hakurya harahindutse. Kubyumva murata muri kubiha umuriro.
The acrid stink of fear as the prey animal realizes he's surrounded by predators.
Uko inyamaswa iri guhigwa iyo imaze kumenya ko yazengurutswe n'impigi ziyihiga.
Reality sinks in as he scurries to hide.
Bwabwoba bwatumaga ijya kwihisha buyishiramo.
Desperately hoping to survive.
Icanganyukiye n'ukundi iri buze kurokoka.
He already knows it's too late.
Ariko muri indani bibizi yuko nyine yamaze gukerererwa ntaho gucikira. Kubera ko
this is America, goddammit.
Iyi ni Amerika nta hantu waducikira. Nta bikora gitujya twemera tu. Gabo hakuno yirukanse ntako atagize.
Richard chose this path.
Richard yahisemo inzira yo.
To show him where it ends.
Rero ni inshingano zanyu kumwerekana iyo nzira iri buze kurangira tu. Richard yageze mu mujyano. Muhige nyana yibwa muyice. Umuhige hakuno. Hey. Aje hakuno. Arananiwe. Byamaze iminsi amaze agenda do. Yaguye agacuho. Kwiyengeka gatagahita gwa agacuho. Kamwiriyeho nimba kurota nimba ari iki sinzi. Reba ari mwana wanjye.
I told you I'd get you out of there.
Sinakubwiye ko nzakuvana hano ha.
People on this show never come back.
Kibazo nuko abantu bagiye muri kino kirori bataja bagaruka. Gamukereyeho. Nimba twakita ikirori, nimba twakita amarushanwa, nimba twakita iki? Ni show ica kuri televiziyo yitwa Free V.
Is a message for Killian.
Buno butumwa kuri Killian.
Hey Dan.
Vadan, MC.
I'm starting to get how this game works.
Natangiye kumenya ukuntu uyu mukino ukorwa.
It's not about me winning or losing.
Nimba itari ngiye ngo ndatsinda cyangwa ndatsindwa.
It's about your ratings. About how much chaos I can cause.
Byibura n'amanota mu mpa n'ibibazo ndibuteza.
I'm taking this thing all the way to the end.
Yabasigiye ikime cyaki kaseta ya namwe mu kijana. Yarakaye.
And I'm done playing defense, I promise you that.
Dambe gukomeza kwigira nkaho ndi kwirinda oya.
So here's the deal.
Dore deal ikurikiyeho rero.
I will see my family again.
Ngiye gushaka uburyo nzongera kubona umuryango wanjye.
And as long as they keep getting paid.
Kandi mu gihe cyose umuryango wanjye ukishyurwa.
You can put whoever you want in front of me. I will.
Uzanyohereza uwo mushaka uwo ari we wese.
Run through all of them.
Nzabacamo kandi nzabatsinda nzabemeza. Yaje hakuno dore za DNA tracker sniffers. Za DNA sniffers yaraje araziyereka.
I'm from slum side.
Let's
throw the rule book out.
Hugely
profitable annihilation. You want a show?
Okay. Reka mbahe show. Hakuno. Kureba hakuno. Imodoka kari hano.
Americanos. Let's do this.
We interrupt the Americanos.
Hakuno. Abari bari kureba Americanos mwihangane gatoyo.
The floor is done.
Zaza. Ndi kiciro nawe ujye kuri iki filime narindi kureba. Usore yabonye akamodoka hakuno. Ahita kaza imbere to. Sana meno kiraure. Rumba bazenda kwinginza upfa mugore. Banza ufane moto pilot.
Take the next back road north.
Irukanga twara imodoka nta muriro nsigaranye.
Your battery is 93%.
Imodoka iramuri naburizo usigaranye 95 mabuja.
If you
don't mabandi uri kubona.
Back this car up.
Nudasubiza imodoka inyuma.
Right now.
Baratwica twese kandi bikorerona kurasubiza imodoka inyuma. Toto mu muhanda sinzi ariko. Konga hakuno. Twaturinda abasazi kuri za garide fu. Abahigi baje ni benshi. Komeza utwara imodoka tugende. Komeza utwara imodoka tugende. Mu muhanda sinzi. Mu muhanda imodoka zaje ni nyinshi sinzi ariko. Yesu Kristo.
Self-driving cars.
Recalculating.
Kureba hakuno.
Keep it pointed north.
Komeza uje mu majyaruguru.
All the way to the border.
Paka ku mupaka.
Go ahead. Say what you gotta say.
Muko, mbwira ibyo ushaka kumbwira ndabona waraka. Kubera iki?
You can go crazy and kill me?
Kugira ngo usare unyice se.
No.
Oja ntabyo ngubwiye.
You have 1 minute.
Sigaranye umunota
Speak freely.
Kugira ngo uvuge wibohoye.
Live with yourself.
Ubundi ubayeho ute?
You dare sit there and criticize my driving?
Wicaye hano uri kuncira imanza ngo ntwara nabi.
Me how to operate my own car?
Unyigisha uko ntwara imodoka yanjye?
Member of society.
Nanjye none umenye ko ndi muri bamwe bategura ruriya marushanwa. Nanjye ndi umumember wa society.
You disgust me.
Uri igisebo uransebye.
You abandoned that starving baby.
Wataye umwana nkuriya wishwe n'inzara.
Horrible wife of yours.
Nuriya mugore wawe umeze kuriya.
So you can what?
Kugira ngo bigende bite?
Kill people for money?
Kugira ngo wice abantu ubone amafaranga.
Only kill the best people.
Ikibabaje nuko wagiye wica abantu beza gusa.
Protect us from
abantu baturinda.
Wealth like you.
Baturinda ibirura nkawe.
That's not a word I use.
Ubundi iryo si ryo jambo nagakoresheje. Gira gutya.
That is my family.
Uyu ni wo muryango wanjye wa mugore we. Muryango wanjye
We came up for the park. Watched Kathy try ice cream for the first time.
Rimwe nigeze kujya muri park ndeba umwana wanjye ari kugerageza kurya ice cream bwa mbere.
That was the best day of my life.
Wari wo munsi wa mbere mwiza mu buzima bwanjye.
Right.
Navuga ukuri
ko. Oh, is so fake.
Iriya show ni fake turi.
Not the bullets. Not the death.
Ariko amasasa arimo si fake. N'impfu zirimo si fake.
Just the part that makes people like you think
nicyo gituma abantu nkawe
you're better.
Utekereza ko muri abantu beza kuturusha.
How much was that?
Reka ikintu mubaza
scarf?
Iyo furari wambaye mu ijosi yo scarf igura ngahe?
Huh?
Mbwira.
More than the meds my daughter needed when she was
igura amafaranga menshi kurusha amafaranga y'imiti umwana wanjye yari akeneye. Aho kugira ngo yicwe n'umusonga.
The flu.
Umusonga uri kubyumva flu n'umusonga cyangwa ibintu by'ibicurane bigendana gutyo.
Human life hanging around your neck.
Ubwo n'ubuzima bw'umwana w'umuntu buziritse mu ijosi ryawe.
You seem to be doing fine.
Ako nubundi se ko mbona umeze neza.
Who can blame you? It's a nice scarf.
Inde abigushinza se kwambaye agafurari keza.
Not of that person.
Not start crying.
Oh yeah, witangira kurira.
I will shoot us both if you start crying.
Utangira kurira ndirasa nawe ngurasa.
When it's over.
Biye byo kurira byararangiye mu. Shiraho. Kigali we.
For an emergency vehicle. Nice. Disable it. Disable it. Do not pull on.
Babashyirisha ku ruhande kandi bimodoka bigezweho ziriya modoka zanyu mwirwa mugura ngo naguze ngo Kia ngo Kenus ngo naguze ngo Prius. Reba imodoka byanyu bire electronic tuzajya tubibabikisha ku ruhande. Hakuno polisi yamukubise ubuduha imodoka itayishyira ku ruhande. Because imodoka ziba zestaye ntabwo wayitwara.
You have successfully yielded. Nice.
Hakuno Kigali we.
Hey Richard.
Richard we.
Pulled over by the Rustic Rock Militia Boys.
Bashyizwe ku ruhande natwe barara bita Rustic Rock Militia Boys.
We're here securing our homestead in the next.
Dushinzwe umutekano wo muri iyi karitsiye duhagarariye network. Wigira icyazo rata sheri wacu w'umukobwa.
Step out of the car.
Weva mu modoka.
You'll be safe with us.
Uraza ko ufite umutekano uri kumwe nawe.
Him we want.
Uwo niwe dushaka. Ibitekerejeho. Sawa igendere muko igendere. Umukobwa atarava mu modoka abagabo hari uwabahaye. Hari drone yaje nyagasani. Hey! Turone nibivuye. Nibi kibiri kuba.
Producers just killed network militia.
Aba producer biyisho nibo bishe iriya network aho kugira ngo bice ngewe. Sibyo? Bisha abakozi ba network.
Those men were just trying to protect me from you.
Bari abagabo bageragezaga kundinda bakundi.
What's it gonna take for you to get? I'm not the best.
Ese ubundi wemera gusaba iki kugira umenye ko ntari umwana mubi gafatwa imbundu ndasi.
Take the car. Drive away. I don't want to hurt you.
You think
that imodoka utware sinshaka kukwica ugenda umva imbere.
They'll let you walk after seeing that?
Urakeka bari buze kukure kugenda nyuma yo kubona biriya se.
Show now.
No.
Nawe bamaze kugushyira muri show wayigeze.
I'm not.
Oya ntabwo nyiri.
And this time he's got a hostage.
Richard aracyariho kandi afite imfungwa. Wita Amelia Williams.
27-year-old realtor.
Imyaka 27 uturuka muri Bangor. Mwamfashije ariko batangira kugaragaza afite umukobwa atigeze yifataga ari gusakuza. Nawe urakaza neza muri running man turi kumwe mada.
This continues. Williams Alpine heads north on Rustic Rock sighting road.
Umugore baramushimuse bari kujya mu majyaruguru.
The NCG to go into full tactical alert.
Wagira ngo tubwire NCG bakoresha imbaraga zose zishoboka.
Turn it off.
Amfashije ariko mwamfashije. Simya icyo giteleviziyo. Kizima. Hakuno. Richard umusani we wacu rata umusani we wacu abantu afite umufana kubigesho yatangiye kubona umufana.
Unbelievable.
Sinabyiza. Amabanda ari imbere mwana bari kugenda banamurangirana n'amabanda mutekereje ari.
They let him run.
Iyo watangiye kubona amanota abantu bagukunze barakureka. Baba bakuretse babaretse kuko.
All right. If we play our parts to let us pass.
Dukora ibyo tugomba gukora bari baratureka tugenda. Rebe hakuno.
Okay.
Amabandi yabateze.
I'm not going to shoot.
Apana bahije basigaye niba bafitemo nandi mabandi kwa.
We're live.
To what live?
Ntabwo babikora live. Bakora ibikiza kunyica. Mupanure barabapanurira.
Why are they cheering for you when I'm the hostage?
Kubera icyo bari kuguinzira kandi ndi imfungwa.
Unbelievable.
Hakuno.
You give me the gun.
Wampaire jombo ndamuko.
No.
Kubera iki ntayigura.
You're obviously the hero.
N'ubundi mbona wabaye intwari. Ngaho yimerero nyizeye.
I don't think we're going to need this anymore.
Ndakeka imbuga tutakikeneye. Arayijugunya.
Oh my God! I just saw Ben Richards.
Mananje mbonye Ben Richards.
I'm sorry. Wait.
Babarire iki?
I am Ben Richards.
Ije Ben Richards.
You don't want to be the reason Amelia dies.
Niba mudashaka impamvu Amelia ari bupfe dore ibyo bari kwereka abantu kandi si byo birimo.
Get this message to Killian.
Ubu butumwa mubuhereze Killian.
Please.
You heard the
lady. Yumvishije umugore do. Ewana ukana mwana umusa running man umugabo yamaze kwigarurira fan base afite umupfana arawurusha. Ya equipe yambara umweru n'ubururu. Ya equipe nzova fana. Okay. Ako elephant bageza kuno dora bahijido. Ebe. Segurcha. Fatira hakuno ka megafone.
Before you murder us,
mbere yuko mutwica,
make up some bullshit why it had to be done.
Mubanze mwumvikanisha impamvu byagombaga kuba.
Look at all these people who know the truth.
Mureba aba bantu bose bari hano bamaze kumenya
ukuri. Kill all of them? Because I am.
Muri ready yo kubica se? Ariko nge ndi ready.
I'm holding on to this bullhorn with my right hand.
Kabako kanje k'iburyo gafashe imbarutso.
Left hand is in my front pouch.
Na imini akabako kanje k'iburyo gafashe megafone, akibumoso gafashe imbarutso iri mu mufuka.
Wrapped around 12 pounds of Black Irish.
Iyo mbarutso izengurutse igisasu cyo mu bwoko bwa Black Irish. Abarikanga.
When I used to work at Network Public Utility,
yikora muri Network Public Utility.
To get these 2-ton fatbergs, take less than a gram to blow those up.
Nibwo namenye ko bisaba amagarama make kuba waturitse ikintu kingana n'urugamba. None mwibaze pound 10.
There's everything in a half-mile radius.
Naturitse ibintu byose biri hano muri hafi kimwe cya kabiri cya mile. Ngo ni nko muri metero nka 700 gutyo. Abantu barikanga.
BF-20 is the most
highly
regulated industrial explosive.
Ibisasu bisoka ku mubare.
But even set foot in a state that sells.
Nta nubwo bijya ku isoko ngo bigurishwe. Nta nibibi na.
Molly didn't tell you everything.
Umenya Mora katara kubwiye ibintu byose kandi mwibuke kwa Mori hari ko ku bwoko bw'ibyo bisasu mwibuka mubwira ngo wabasha kureba hari.
I got my finger stuck in the detonator ring and it's on half cock.
Aya ngubwire yuko mfite urutoki rufashe mu mbarutso.
So, I want one of those big, fancy flying V airplanes.
Niyo mpamvu nkeneye indege nziza kandi ihenze.
2 auto shoots handed
to
Amelia at the bottom of the ramp. If
the
shoots are sabotaged,
if
you make any sudden moves, back those trucks up and let me on that tarmac right fucking now. Go boom. I'll just see you in hell and laugh in your face. Shouldn't take long. He's got a direct line to the boss. Last chance to run.
You made me feel like I'm the bad guy. Now I have to prove I'm not. You're not the one I'm trying to prove it to. So what I am.
Your handbag is a bomb. I'm out the back door and wait out the clock.
What if they call your bluff?
You make sure they know it's real. Get scared, freak out, curse, scream. Call me the worst names possible. Just for everything bad. It's all good for EV. When McConaughey hands you the shoots,
I won't have to act.
You grab the gun, you'll know it's time to go off. Oh, I think you're the guy who stops me from seeing my daughter again. Get on the plane. Take your mask off. Dreaming.
Do what he says. Do what he says.
Kora ibyo akubwiye umugabo uri hano ngo ni Makon vanyemo hano kumbi umusaba imeze bite wagwana
Show starts at 8.
Kirori kiratangira saa 2 ishaka ibintu uje mu ndege tugende ibindi ubu byihoreye
To the Net Air
Net Air Flying V.
The ultimate in private travel. Smart safety features. This is first class comfort. And enjoy the most relaxing flight of your life.
Welcome aboard, Mr. Richardson Holloway. Excuse me if I don't shake your hand. That's First Officer Dunninger. And Navigation Officer Donahue, too. Left.
You're missing one. Hey, Captain. Laboratories around this rust bucket? 4. 6. Why don't you check them all for stowaways? Laboratories around this rust bucket. 4. 6. You check them all for stowaways. It's up on me. It's gonna be a real short ride. Plot a route over the richest homes from here to Canada. Fly as low as you can. Let me know as you wish.
Feel free to move about the cabin.
Richards, 6 minutes to showtime. Where they clear me to blow your head off in front of a couple billion people.
You know, you should really put some makeup on before the show starts.
Let's go.
You want to go? We can all go, right? Do it! Do it, tough guy! See if I twitch.
Show him the bomb!
Yeah, I'm
cyangwa basi mabuja sikari we bwanu ku mukobwa bwanu ku mukobwa shazi gukira kandi nta gisaza afite umukobwa nanabizi tuza
If I offer you an amnesty deal and an exit visa.
waretse nkakwemerera ibintu bishoboka ukava muri ibi bintu tukagwana visa
Nothing but a Halloween costume.
we nta cyo icyo usibye kuba uri inzangiraho
You can't offer me shit.
we nta kintu wampa
Mr. Richards.
kuko Richard nta kintu yaguha koko boss ahita ahamagara
But I can.
ariko cyari icyo nakwemera
How about I offer you a deal?
waretse nkaguha deal
You tell your hunters in the cockpit
banza ubwire bariya bahigi bawe bari muri cockpit
to do what I tell them.
ubabwire bakora icyo babwiye cyangwa se iki kidege gituritse.
And I admire your commitment to the bit, but we're short on time, so
ubabarire kuba nari nemeye ko dukorana ariko igihe kiri kudushirana.
I'll be blunt.
ubu nta kindi nyine ndamutse ntinze byarangira bihombe.
No, you're bluffing.
ndanabizi kuri gukina.
The Flying V Mark II has
iyi ndege Flying V Mark II
scanners built into
ifite scanners ku muryango winjira twabisikaninze.
Been wildly entertaining.
twabibonye birashimishije biranasekeje.
Amelia, her lovely handbag back.
ahubwo umukobwa ngo ni Amelia amusubizaga kapuke. zimwumiraho harimo indege mu ndege uzema abicanyi. karabaye mama we karabaye mama we Evan hoya
Safety that weapon, sir.
Evan, are
iyo mbunda ishyiraho harinzwe.
you insane?
Evan uri
The
umusazi.
show hasn't even started.
iki kirori ntikiranatangira.
Hand over your gun and go to the back of the jet.
tanga iyo mbunda usubire mu ndege.
Thank you.
Akoze.
You can remain there until I say otherwise.
tegereze mpaka igenda ibuze kuvugira ibindi.
I need a moment to have a word with Mr. Richards.
Iriya kanya banze ganira na Mr. Richards. hari ibintu nshaka tuganiraho kandi mwibanga. bahita bamuzamurira screen hakuno. n'intebe bahita bayihindukiza n'akaye kutera.
It wasn't too long ago that someone with my job thought it was more important to force some hypocritical moral message down society's throat than to simply entertain them.
hari hashize igihe kinini ntaza n'umuntu mu kazi umeze nkaho ubasha kuryohereza rubanda kandi nanjye nkakubonamo ibyo nshaka.
They forgot about the power of illusion, the power
abantu bamaze kwirengagiza bamaze kwibagirwa imbaraga zo kubona ibidahari.
of the star, which is what you are, Richards.
bamaze kubona imbaraga z'umustar ari we wamaze kuba we Richards.
Why we want to offer you your own show.
niyo mpamvu tugira ngo tuguhe show yawe none. bifotorure.
Former runner,
wahoze ari wirukanka muri running man.
redeemed through righteous vengeance, turns his life around
ubuzima bwe bukaza guhinduka.
to become a lethal force for good.
ukaza guhinduka imbaraga z'ikiza.
Colin,
ukuntu bajya bakwita
the hunter.
bakajya bakwita the hunter nawe ukaba umuhinzi.
Advised me to pay you $5 million per season.
ndetse bodi nkorera yemeye ko tuzajya tukwishyura miliyoni 5 z'idolari kuri buri season uzajya ugaruka muri umuhigi.
Only one condition.
ariko kuri kondisiyo
Back,
icara
watch the intro,
urebe intro
and when Bobby cues you, kill every hunter on that jet.
hanyuma wice na buri muhigi wese uri muri iyo ndege.
Mission met. I'll remote pilot you back to the studio jet
ibyo nuramuka ubirangije iyo ndege ndaza kuyitwara nyigarure kuri studio
where the President of the United States will induct you as hunter number 6.
aho uri buze guhurira na perezida wa leta zunze ubumwe za Amerika akakugira hunter number 6 cyangwa se umuhigi nimero 6.
Title ID I'm playing with.
ile ni ikindi gitekerezo na rimwe.
It says the revenge plot.
Revenge.
amakuru avuga
For what?
nihorera ikisi.
Who is gonna root for a guy who kills your national heroes?
ninde muntu uzemera kugira gute kujya areba show y'umugabo wishe intwari za.
Bullshit, Dan.
Let me worry about